In this video, you will learn how to rearrange a collection list on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin panel, go to shopify.com and log into your store dashboard. Go to your online store and themes. In the left sidebar, click on online store, then click on themes. Click customize on your active themes. Under the current themes, select customize button. This will open the theme editor. Find the collection list. In the left sidebar of the theme editor, look for the section called Collection List or Featured Collections. The name may vary. Click on it to open its settings. Rearrange. Rearrange the collection. You'll see a list of the collection displayed in that section. Simply drag and drop the collection up or down to change its order. For example, drag Summer Collection above Winter Collection so it will show first on your Shopify store. Save your changes. Once you're happy with the order, click Save. Now your Shopify will be saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.